If you've ever wanted to make your Google Slides presentations more interactive, you're going to love this. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use the pen feature in Google Slides so you can highlight, draw, and call attention to anything while presenting, all in just a few simple steps. Start by opening Google Slides in your browser. You can search for it or use a bookmark if you already have it saved. Make sure you're signed into your Google account since that's what gives you access to your presentations and lets you create new ones. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you'll see your recent projects and the templates area. For this walkthrough, create a new presentation by clicking on blank presentation. This gives us a clean space to focus only on the pen feature. With your new slide open, go to the menu at the top and click View, then select Slideshow. Your presentation will switch into full screen mode, just like it would during an actual presentation. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small toolbar with some navigation icons. Hover over that area and click on the three dots to expand more options. This is where the magic happens. In the menu that appears, click on Turn on the Pen. The moment you do, your cursor transforms into a pen. Now you can draw, underline, circle key points, or emphasize anything on your slide. Just drag your cursor like you're writing with a real pen. It's quick, intuitive, and perfect for teaching, presenting, or explaining an idea on the spot. And just like that, you've activated one of the most useful tools in Google Slides. The pen feature adds a level of engagement that static slides just can't match. And it's a great way to make your audience follow along with exactly what you're talking about. If this helped you level up your presentations, stick around. There's plenty more where that came from. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.